America's biggest builders are being sued. Check your pipes now. If you bought a house built in the last 10 years, you need to stop scrolling right now. What I'm going to tell you about is a ticking time bomb, and there's a very high probability it's hiding inside your walls at this very moment. Millions of homes were plumbed with a material that the manufacturer promised would last 50 to 100 years. Instead, it's catastrophically failing from inside out in under 4 years. And right now, some of the biggest home builders in America are being sued for it. Welcome back to Roger Wakefield Plumbing Education. I am Roger Wakefield. Today, we're not sitting at a desk. We're not out in the field playing. We're walking right into your garage, into your walls, looking at the pipe that you're going to have problems with. What I'm going to talk to you about today can help you determine if you and your family is setting on a $100,000 nightmare and the exact steps that you need to take before your ceiling collapses. Now, if you value your home and your financial security, pay very close attention. Okay, you were sold a lie disguised as an upgrade, and the courts are finally catching up with it. Over the last decade, the plumbing industry made a massive shift from traditional copper piping to cross-linked polyethylene, commonly known as PEX. Now, as a concept, PEX is fantastic. It's fast, it's cost-effective, and it is flexible. But there's a specific, massive subset of this pipe that is failing at an unprecedented rate. Now, we're talking specifically about the Uponor Aquapex. Now, there are current massive class action lawsuits filed across the country, like Clifford versus Uponor out of California and Fitzpatrick versus Uponor in Minnesota. The complaints allege that Uponor's red, white, and blue PEX pipe suffers from a severe manufacturing defect. Now, here's the science behind the failure. To prevent hot water and oxygen from destroying the plastic, manufacturers blend antioxidants into the pipe. But lawsuits allege that Uponor's specific manufacturing methods failed to mix these antioxidants evenly. Now, this means that sections of your pipe have zero protection. It leads to a condition called premature oxidative degradation. Let me be perfectly clear. This is not an issue of a bad local plumber doing a sloppy installation. This is a manufacturing defect where the pipe literally becomes brittle, it develops micro cracks, and it bursts from the inside out in as little as 3 to 10 years. Despite knowing about this, there has been no official recall. You're entirely on your own unless you know what to look for. Now, let's quantify the demand. It starts as a tiny drip and it ends with your family living in a hotel for 6 months while your house is gutted to the studs. Now, I want you to understand the sheer financial devastation that this causes, because we're seeing families in major subdivisions like Stonewood Creek in Georgia, Red Bird Ranch in San Antonio. They're experiencing dozens of back-to-back pipe bursts. When one of these pipes lets go while you're at work, it doesn't just get the floor wet. The average insurance payout for major water damage is hovering around $14,000, and structural rebuilds can cost up to $37 a square foot. Actually, they can cost more than that. People are spending $5,000 to $30,000 out of their pockets just on temporary emergency patches. And the total home repipe, that can easily exceed $100,000. Guys, I hate to tell you, but as a plumber, it can, but it gets worse. If you're planning to sell your home and you have this defective plumbing, you have a legal obligation to disclose it. The moment a buyer's inspector sees it, your property value, it tanks. It's gone. And the deal, it's dead. Your home is supposed to be your safe haven, your family's ultimate financial asset. But right now, this pipe is silently threatening both of those things. Okay, so don't wait for the insurance adjuster to tell you the bad news. Let's go find out exactly what's inside your walls right now. Now, I'm not going to leave you in the dark on this. I want you to pause this video, grab your flashlight, grab your iPhone, grab your camera, grab whatever, walk to your water heater or your main water shutoff valve. Look at the exposed plastic tubing. You're looking for flexible pipe that is colored either solid red, solid blue, or clear white. Now look incredibly close at the text printed directly on the casing of the pipe. It's on the outside of it. You're looking for 3 specific words that are tied to these exact lawsuits: Uponor, Aquapex, or Wiersbo. Now, if you see those names and your house was built or remodeled between 2010 and 2021, you are definitely in the danger zone. Look closely at the plastic. Do you see a chalky discoloration? Do you see tiny spider web-like micro cracks forming on the outside? Or maybe even where it's curved, where it's bent? If you do, that pipe is actively failing. Panic is not a strategy. Detection and preparation will save your home. If you found this pipe, don't panic, but do not ignore it. First, aggressively check your drywall for any yellow or brown spotting. Document everything. Take pictures. Save them. Contact your builder's warranty department immediately. But here's how you take absolute control of the situation. You cannot see behind your drywall, which means a pinhole leak can spray for weeks before it ruins the ceiling. This is why I use and recommend the Leak Pro Complete Kit. I love it because even as a homeowner, you can go in and use it to listen to angle stops, valves, your meter, anything at all to see if anything is flowing. And having professional grade leak detection technology in your own hands allows you to catch the moisture before the pipe completely bursts. And it's a fraction of the cost of a deductible, and it buys you absolute peace of mind. If you're forced to do a major overhaul and repipe all the way up to your water heater, anything like that, learn to use the government's money to do it. Under the 2026 federal tax guidelines, if you upgrade to a high-efficiency heat pump water heater, you can claim tax credits up to 30% of the cost, up to $2,000 a year. And you can even get up to $600 to upgrade your electrical panel to help handle it. So turn a disaster like this into a high-efficiency upgrade that pays you back. Before I go, I want to answer the top 3 questions that people are always asking regarding this plumbing crisis. Question number 1. Is there an official recall on Uponor Aquapex pipe? As of right now, we're the beginning of April 2026, no. Despite the massive property damage and the class action lawsuits claiming the company concealed the defects, there has been no official federal recall issued for the pipe. This is why you have to be your own advocate. Question number 2, what are the early warning signs that my PEX pipe is failing? You will often notice a drop in water pressure, subtle musty odors inside your home, or unexpected spikes in your water bill. Visually, if the exposed pipe is near your water heater, and if it looks chalky, brittle, or if it has any tiny white spiderweb looking cracks in it, the oxidative degradation has already set in. And question 3. Can I patch a defective PEX pipe, or do I have to replace the whole house? While you can cut out and patch a single leak to stop an active flood, the lawsuits allege this defect affects the entire run of tubing. Because the defect is progressive in nature, fixing one leak doesn't stop the pipe 2 feet down the line from bursting tomorrow. Ultimately, complete removal and replacement is often the only permanent solution. You and I both know that ignoring a problem never makes it go away. It just makes it more expensive. The construction industry wants to manage this quietly, but you now have the exact information that you need to protect your family and your finances. If you live in a neighborhood that was built in the last 10 years or so, you have neighbors who are sitting on this exact same time bomb and have absolutely no idea. You need to hit the share button and text this video to them right now. Be the person who saves them from waking up to a flooded living room. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, if you want the unvarnished truth about how to protect your home and master your plumbing, you need to hit that subscribe button. We are building a community of homeowners, DIYers, and professionals who refuse to be taken advantage of. I'm Roger Wakefield. I will see you out on the next job.